Hello class 1, welcome to your English literature class children. Yesterday or in the previous class we have completed one chapter, that is chapter number 7, isn't it? Chapter number 7, the belly and the members. Okay, we have completed the explanation of this chapter, and today I will discuss the back exercise, and thereafter I'll give you the notes in the telegram. You have to copy the notes from the telegram in your CW copy, and then you will be sending me the copies for correction. Right. So take a pencil, open your book at page number 67. This is page number 67. We'll do this and then I'll discuss these questions also. Right? Take a pencil. Are you all ready? I think you are. See, making connections. The number first one. Quick answers. Fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the box below. We have to fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks are there. So 5 words are given in a box. With the help of the words given in the box, we will fill up the sentences, these sentences. Now number 1 is the words that are given are hands, body, unhappy, belly, legs. These are 5 words given. We have to fill up the blanks using the suitable words from the box. A. One day, all of you read. One day the various parts of the dash get together. So one day reflect whatever we have learnt in the chapter. One day the various parts of the body. Write down B-O-D-Y. Body. Number 1. This way. Done? Number 2. They discuss the role of the, what they were discussing, about whom they were discussing. They were discussing about belly, isn't it? So B-E-L-L-Y, belly. So they were discussing about the role of belly. Done? This one? Write down. Number 2, B-E-L-L-Y, belly. Now come to number C. The body parts are dash. Happy or unhappy? Unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. Unhappy. Number C is, that is number 3 is unhappy. Write down. Number 3. Unhappy. Here also I have marked. Then number D. The refused to take the food. Who refused? The hand. Isn't it? So the hands. H-A-N-D-S. This is 4 means D. Hands. The hands refused to take the food. Next number E. The dash are unable to support the whole body. Who were unable to support the whole body? Who supports our body? Legs. So this is 5. So number E will be legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. See number E. The legs are unable to support the whole body. Done? Yes. So the fill in the blanks we have done. The first one is body, B-O-D-Y, body. Second one is belly. Third one is unhappy. Then fourth one is hands. And the fifth one is legs. Okay, done. Then we'll do the reference to context. Like, because it does nothing to help us and it is lazy. Why do the parts of the body call the belly lazy? They call the belly lazy because it has nothing to help us, they said. So why do the parts of the body call the belly lazy? Because belly is very quiet. It has no function like moving here and there. Okay. So they think that, why do the parts of the body call the belly lazy? The other parts of the body call the belly lazy because they think the belly doesn't do enough work. Okay, and it doesn't help the body in any way. So I'll give the answers to you. Do you think the belly is really lazy? Do you think that after completing the story, after reading the story, do you think that the belly is really lazy? No, we don't think. Then what do the unhappy parts of the body decide to do? Now the unhappy parts of the body like the hands, teeth, brain, mouth, they were unhappy with the belly. So what did they decide? They have decided not to feed the belly anymore, isn't it? This one, then now come to number 3, reference to context. But after a day or two, the members begin to face problems. We have read this chapter line in this book, in this story, isn't it? But after a day or two, the members begin to face many problems. Now, who are the members? Hands, legs, then brain, then mouth, isn't it? They are the members, isn't it? So you have to write their name. Why do they begin to face problem? Why they were facing problem? Because they were not feeding the belly. Because the belly's function is to give energy to the rest of the part of the body. And they have stopped giving food to belly. So where from the energy will come? Then what do they understand when this happened? When this happened, they understood that we all must work together or the body will go into pieces, or the body will become very sick if we do not work together. Means all of us are equally important. So all these answers I'll give, don't worry. I'll give in writing. Then read, reflect and write. Why are the body parts unhappy? Which is the most useful body part? Give reason of your answer. If you think that this body part is the most important part, then you have to give your reason for that. Then number C, what do you understand when this happened? What do you understand when this thing happened? Oh no, sorry, number 5 we'll discuss now. Number 6 we'll discuss. Apart from food, what other things are important for our body? So apart from food, what are the other things important for our body? What are the other things that our body need apart from food? So the answer will vary. You think and you write your own answer. If you ask me, I can tell you that we have to do regular exercise. We have to do regular yoga to keep our body healthy and fit, isn't it? These are the other important things that our body needs apart from food, right? Okay, this much I'll discuss now. Next day I'll give you more. We'll do the rest of the exercises. I'll see those parts which are important I will do for you. We'll discuss and do together. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.